is Stephanie.
And I'm Ivy.
From Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. Welcome back to another tutorial. Miss Ivy is here to help me with this one. And today, what are we going to be making, Miss Ivy?
We're going to make my Halloween hat and hers.
Yeah, we're going to make a witch's hat today. And then I will make my own a little bit later. Probably not on the tutorial. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll do two witches' hats in one, or we might just work on Miss Ivy's. She's already picked out the flowers that she wants. What is the vibe that we're going for?
Death.
Death. Dead things. So I'll show you the color scheme we've got going, some of the other little bits and bobs, and then we're going to get right to it. This is a super easy kind of project. It's a lot of fun. I love making these witches' hats. So we'll talk about some tips and tricks, how you can do this. And yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. So let's jump into it. All right, Miss Ivy, let's show everybody the flowers. You wanna put them down on the table for us? Here is her color story. So we've kind of got like purples and blues with one lone red flower, it looks like. And then for the greenery, well, we've got, for the dead things, we've got some darker toned moss. We have this filler that I believe is still in stock over in the shop. We have just some other little bits and bobs of other greenery. And then this one was just used in another tutorial recently, but the seeded eucalyptus was a really good dark green filler that's going to be kind of gives us a little bit of height for this piece. Oh, Ivy, we're also going to be using, she has a dried rose that we're going to use. And then I also pulled some of this little fun, funky filler that also says death to me. Does that say death to you, Ivy?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so there is our color scheme, and we're going to get to putting it on the hat. So the hat that we have, we did find this at Goodwill. Typically, thrift stores are where you can find some really great witch hats. This one's fun because it's got a wire in there so we can kind of shape it. To start, what we're going to do is just start gluing in. Now, Miss Ivy decided she wants it just on one side of the hat, and I just realized she can't see the hat. So let's change our camera angle. We'll be right back. So I'm going to start with the seeded eucalyptus to create my height.
That's kind of waving like the hat.
It does, yeah. So we're going to we'll have it wave with the hat. And the nice thing about this is there's a wire in there so we can bend it as needed. You gotta be really careful when we're using super hot glue.
Always let your parents use the glue.
There you go, warning. Especially when it's the hot glue. If we were using a low temp glue gun, you could use that, but the hot glue, a little too hot. A lot of this stuff is going to kind of get covered up, so you don't have to be super picky about where everything goes. We're just creating
a background, basically.
Background, exactly. Okay.
Is it being naughty?
A little bit, but that's all right. Okay, that part is done. Now, you had the rest of this fillers and bits and bobs. I'm going to add some of this in as we start adding in our flowers, and we'll kind of slide those into the gaps and the holes. Same with, you wanted to put the moss in between flowers, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's grab, you wanted one of those flowers way in the back, right?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so I think how does that look if we put it kind of, you want to look into the camera? Can you kind of see where that is? Do we like that there? Or do you want it maybe right here?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, that's a good spot. I agree. Actually, I think we already have glue in there. I don't have to do anything. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, okay. That's perfect right there. All right, grab me another flower.
And I feel like we should like kind of stack them up high.
You want to stack a couple up here?
Yeah, like
Go there?
Yeah.
Okay, which one would you like there? What about, do you want any going up this, or do we want to just keep them down at the base?
I feel like that one would look good right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
We've got some other little bits and bobs.
I feel like this one should be. Sorry, it's stuck in the box.
That's all right.
I feel like it should be like right there.
Oh, that's fun. Okay.
Yeah, like.
And we like how this is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of coming out.
Got it. Okay. So I'm just shoving some moss in right now, but it's still hot, so be careful. Where do you want?
Right.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Here, give me 1 second. So we're gonna push in between.
Yes.
Okay.
Here's
Where do you want some more moss? Like push in here?
Yeah, and a little bit
Okay,
over
right there.
there.
We'll do some little ones, maybe poking through in here too.
Yeah, like maybe some coming out right there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah,
Perfect.
right there.
That's a good spot. Okay. I wonder, should we get one more? Do you want to get like a really big purple flower for me? Yeah, right behind there. Otherwise, there's some purple ones by your feet in that blue and white bowl. If there's a purple one down there that you like. So I'm thinking we'll put one like back here so that you've got like a little.
I feel like we need to put some more stuff at the back.
Or, Ivy, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I feel like we should put like moss like coming out this way.
Do you want, here, I've got some more moss.
For some like. Yeah, like that.
Like that? Okay. Are we going to do just this? Originally you wanted to do just the one side. Are we going to still stick with just the one side?
Yeah, I think so.
You
Just
think so?
like a little moss coming out
Okay.
this way. So like I feel like we need to put some in the back.
Okay. So you want to do this more earthy kind of? Okay. And then we've got a little bit more of that we can add on to. A little bit down there. So right now all I'm doing is I'm taking in that green moss and I'm just shoving it in
You know what I
the
think?
edges. Yeah.
We need some shimmer.
Shimmer?
Shimmer.
What kind of shimmer?
Like, kind of like a bold one, kind of like the glitter one. It's actually right here.
How are we going to add the shimmer to this?
Like, usually it has a shaky thing, so like, what
Oh,
we can-
you want to
like,
spray paint it?
not spray paint, but
Well, you know what we could do?
Glitter.
If you want glitter on it, we could spray this down with Mod Podge spray, which is a type of glue, and then we can sprinkle some glitter onto it.
Yeah.
Do you want? All right, so we tried it on. I will say, Miss Ivy, there is one thing. If you turn to the side, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a big hole right here when you put it on.
Another flower.
Another flower, exactly. What color of flower should we do there? Should we do another blue one?
I don't know what are the colors over there.
All blue, but here.
So maybe let's do.
I think that blue, because then you can still see that blue that you had originally. Now there's two of them there, and it fits perfectly.
Well, let's just do that, even though I have no idea what it looks like.
Just trust your mother. Okay, so we have made a decision. That is the gold. We're going to do a fine gold mist of glitter onto the piece. What is that called? Let me see. Smoky quartz. Then to do that, what we're going to do is I'm going to spray this down with some Mod Podge spray. Miss Ivy's gonna step out of the room for a minute because it's kind of stinky. I'm going to spray that down, put some glitter on it, and then dust off or kind of shake off the excess. And we'll see how that turns out. I've never done this before. Miss Ivy is pushing me in my creative zone of genius. So we'll see what happens and see if it meets her expectations of some sparkle. So, all right, I'm gonna kick you out for just a minute.
Now my eyes can be fully open.
Now your eyes can be fully open. Do you want to help me dust the glitter on, or do you want to just wait?
Glitter.
Okay, all right. Scoot out the door, ma'am. Actually, we've got a piece of cardboard. And she did say she wants it mostly on the flowers, so I'm going to stay away from the greenery up on top, and we're just going to do a nice dousing on the flowers. All right, Miss Ivy.
That's faster than I thought.
Yeah, but it's stinky. You smell it?
No.
Oh, well, good deal. Okay. Do you want to do this, or you want me to?
It smells like nail polish.
It does kind of smell like nail polish.
That's okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna... now you've got it there, huh? We'll see.
I want to do some.
You gonna do some too? Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm just tapping it while it's going around, so don't shake it. All right there, lovelies. We are done with Miss Ivy's witch's hat. I'll be making my own later. Actually, you know what? Remember, I'm not going to be a witch anymore. Do you remember what I'm going to be?
A farmer, because our dad got inflatable chicken.
He's got a giant inflatable chicken suit and asked if I would dress up like a farmer. So I'll probably be wearing the sunflower hat again. That'll make more sense that time, right? Yeah, so Miss Ivy's gonna be a witch. She's got some other plans of her outfit for trick-or-treating. We'll make sure to post a picture or two, but that'll probably be over on Facebook, on our Facebook group. We'll share your Halloween outfit. Does that sound good? And then I do have a surprise for Miss Ivy, which will most likely be the next tutorial. I'm gonna make her one extra thing for her witch's Halloween costume.
She's not telling me.
Not telling her. It's going to be a surprise, but it'll be based off of what we just did with this witch's hat, so it'll match.
Are you decorating your witch's broom?
I don't know. You'll have to stay tuned to find out. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and also thank you so much to my lovely helper, Miss Ivy. Every once in a while, she likes to jump in on a YouTube video. The one and only, because the rest of your brothers and sisters don't like to come on videos anymore.
Yes.
Yeah. 1 out of 5 ain't bad, huh? All right, you guys, we will see you next week for another tutorial. If you'd like, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and what do they do so they're notified every time a video goes up?
Ring the bell.
Ring that bell to find out about the 150 style wood flowers, craft supplies, and greenery. Go on over to ohyourlovely.com, but before you do, I have something for you. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off one regular priced order. All right, you guys, we'll see you next week for another tutorial. I'm Stephanie.
I'm Ivy.
And you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.
Bye.
What other thing did you say to me about this project?
I didn't trust you.
You didn't trust me. And now?
I didn't trust you.
You trust me. You thought it was a little bit too much. Mom was going extra on the amount of stuff to put on it.
Yes.
But it worked out.
Yes.
Can you turn to the side one more time? Look how cute that is! Ugh. So one hand for
anger,
and
2 hands for sass.
you can quote Ivy on that.